Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Libras. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading, guys. Libras, that will follow this general energy. So let's see what are these cards. We have Five of Cups in reverse, Ace of Pentacles and Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are seeing a positive change, guys. Maybe in your work you are seeing a beginning of a new project, assignment, something giving you lucrative returns, and you are happy for it. You are happy for the success. You have emotional satisfaction, contentment and joy, guys, seeing the way things are going for you. And maybe for some of you, you have some confusions maybe regarding certain things. Maybe you have to make a choice or a decision and you do not have that clarity. You don't know whether to make this choice or that choice. So some kind of confusion, and you don't have a clear idea. The reason may be you may not know the truth behind that circumstance or truth behind those choices. So something is blocking your vision or someone is blocking your vision. So this person is not revealing the truth to you. So they are hiding something. Maybe if it is the person you love, they are hiding something and you do not have clarity. So that is the reason you are waiting or you are not deciding, or you feel that you cannot trust this person because they are not telling you the truth. So some kind of misunderstandings may be there, or you feel that you cannot rely on this person. So some troubles because of the way things are going today, guys, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. And Libras, I also see that in your situation today, maybe for some of you, you are seeing someone interesting coming towards you. Maybe if you are open to a commitment or marriage, maybe someone is coming with a proposal, or you are already in a connection and you love this person. You are just waiting for them to propose. Maybe someone is coming to propose, guys, or maybe it may be this person you love. If you are already in a connection, so they want commitment just like you want commitment with them, and they are proposing to you, guys. And maybe for some of you, you would have missed someone, a friend, or it may be your past person with whom you had a very good relationship. Maybe for some reason you both have gone separate ways. So maybe that person is visiting you today, guys, and maybe there is a rare chance for some of you to get back with this person if you are still interested in them and if they are coming with that intention. So for some of you, your relationship which was which was in a breakup state, that may revive again for some of you, guys, Libras. So you are going to get lucky, guys, in love today, because the person you are in relationship with, they are proposing to you, maybe. Or if you are single, there is someone new coming, or if you are still wishing for that past person, they are going to come, guys. So you are going to get lucky in love. That is what I see with these cards, Libras. And that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can either close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds about your situation, then choose the cards or the crystals and watch that reading. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So you can think about your situation, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with this card and this crystal. Let's see what is the card for you all. So for those who chose this card, the card says water and salt, truth. So in your situation today, guys, maybe in this relationship or maybe in some circumstance, you are someone who is really truthful, honest, and who speaks the truth, maybe plain truth, and people around you, maybe someone really close to you, they may not like you speaking the plain truth. They may not understand that it is your honest words. It may be what you truly feel, but you may be punished or you may be scolded or they may come to fight with you because of speaking this honesty, and you are not willing to tone down this truth or flatter them in any ways. So you are someone who speaks your mind, someone who tells what you truly feel, and this may not go well with this person or someone in your life, and this is not the time to to speak just to please this person. This may be the time for speaking what is that in your heart, giving that clarity, and maybe there is no reason for you to speak otherwise. This is the time you are speaking the truth, plain truth, maybe in some situation, and this person may not like it because it makes them feel really uncomfortable, and they may come to argue with you or fight with you, or they may even try to break this relationship. But this truth is all that you need for to be in this connection, and you can never give it up. That is your situation, guys. But whatever troubles you're facing today, guys, maybe by speaking what is there in your mind or some truth to this person, whatever you're facing, someday this person will understand that your words are based on honesty, and that all that happened is their mistake, and they will realize what has gone wrong and it is all their mistake, guys. So your honesty, your plain honesty will be appreciated someday, but that day may not be today. You may be facing a lot of troubles because of this truth, but you can be sure that someday they will understand what you truly felt today, guys, and the reason for you to speaking such words. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second crystal and this card, the second card, we have lithium quartz, and it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So this crystal, it just stands for that calmness, composure, peacefulness in our situation, and connectedness with that other person. So how to achieve this peacefulness in a relationship? Peace comes in a relationship when we are willing to trust that there is more than one right way of doing anything. Maybe we are suggesting some things and we believe in our way. Maybe whatever this person is also suggesting may be a different path, but that may also be the right path towards that destination. So you need to understand that, and you need to collaborate with your strengths, and maybe in the areas we are weak, we can take support, and the areas we are strong, we can help the other person. So in a relationship, we are meant to heal and grow together, balancing each other in this relationship. And that is the reason opposites always attract. So we are opposites of each other. So the people in a relationship, guys, and we must appreciate each other's talents and skills and support each other, so that way we are working towards a peaceful connection. And this crystal promotes that, or this crystal energy is that going for that peaceful interconnection. So you need to understand and try to collaborate instead of fighting or arguing. Sometimes we must listen to that person, their ideas. So even their ideas may work out positively, just how we believe our ideas will work out in a positive way, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. So this was your first card, guys. Bye, guys.